A day in my life as my mom's assistant. Today guys, andito na naman tayo with my mom sa kanyang mga lakad. Palagi ko na lang kaya siyang sinasamahan wherever she goes. We're going to the court again because she needs to submit her documents. Mabang biyahe talaga to guys. Mas mahaba pa kaysa sa biyahe namin sa Makati last time. Pero ganyan naman talaga ang trabaho ng mom ko guys. Kahit saan na lang siya pumupunta para sa mga kaso niya, guys. That's because she's a lawyer. And I'm sure there are other lawyers out there who are experiencing the same things. They just have to go everywhere, even though it's really far, for their cases and their reports and their documents and everything. And malay mo, makakapunta na siya sa ibang bansa, guys. Sana naman sa Hong Kong para makasama ako, guys. Sana naman sa Hong Kong, guys, para makasama ako. Makaka-Disneyland kami. Dadating naman yung passport ko eh. But not to mention, my mom is a very dedicated lawyer. She takes her job seriously talaga. Like, I guarantee you guys, she's the best lawyer. So guys, as we're waiting to get to our destination, nakikita ko na maganda yung view dito guys. Never ata ako nakakapunta dito. Which actually made me realize na ang dami ko pang places na hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Because, recently I've been going out a lot because I'm accompanying my mom to wherever she goes. I've been in the hotel in Makati. I went out to get my passport. Pero most of the time, andito lang ako sa kotse, guys. Kasi palagi na lang mahaba yung biyahe, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys, dito sa San Pedro, Laguna, merong lover's lane. Like, usually, my mom said that usually at night, may mga lovers na nandun, guys. Ang romantic naman. Sana all, guys, nagde-date. Pero, guys, bawal muna ako mag-date kasi bata pa naman ako. Kayo, pag may kasama kayo, pwede nyo siyang dalhin dyan. Ayee! Alam nyo guys, ang haba ng biyahe papuntang Paliko tas sa court sa Laguna guys. Tas less than 3 minutes lang ako nandun sa court. Nag-submit lang ng document yung nanay ko, 3 minutes lang yun, pero yung biyahe guys, parang 1 hour na. Sa totoo lang guys, wala akong ginagawa, naghintay lang ako, tas tinignan ko yung view, tas nag-music pa ako. Ito yung bakasyon ko guys, talaga. Speaking of, malapit na pala pasukan guys, mga June 16 ata. Ang bilis naman guys, tas next week, June na. So guys, how's your bakasyon naman? Sa akin, it's nothing special naman. Sinasamahan ko lang nanay ko guys, yan lang. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang wala na akong masabi. Kasi voice over na lang ako sa video na to. Manood na lang tayo ng view guys. Okay na yun. Dami ko nang nasabing topic. Wala na akong naiisip guys. Sorry na. So ayan lang yung day ko guys. I just spent some time waiting in someone else's car for a destination. Tas 3 minutes lang kami dun. Ayan lang. Thanks for watching.